And good morning, you fabulous math wizards of Virtual Room 502. Welcome to Mr. Leggett Eureka Math in the Morning with your friend and mine, Mr. Leggett. We're going to get started right away. We're doing Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 4. So you're going to need your Module 3. No, you actually won't need your problem set out yet or your homework. Just going to need your whiteboard and marker, or scratch paper, and pencil or pen. So today we're going to count by units of 6 to multiply and divide using number bonds to decompose. Let's start with the fluency practice. In the fluency practice, we're going to multiply using the distributive property, and this should take about 4 minutes long. Let's see, let's start that up. So let's start off with this array right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 rows of 5. So 6 times 5. What is that? We can count by fives if we do not know. It's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right? And the same holds true, and as you all know from the distributive property, we can swing it this way, and we would get 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6 times 5, or excuse me, 5 times 6 would equal the same thing, right? So 5 times 6 equals 30. But let's say we were to reveal another row. Whoa! Another column of 6. And there we have it. So now what do we have? Let's think about it in this way, because this is what this lesson is kind of all about. We have 30, right? And then we went, whoa. So we could say 30 plus 6 equals what? 36. And we could also say 6 times 6 equals 36, can't we? Excuse me, just one moment while I grab a piece of paper. We're going to continue on with this lesson, do a few more. Pardon me. And we're not going to make the arrays on this one. We're just going to dive right in. Wow, don't want to cooperate. So let's continue on. And the next one we're going to do is, we'll do 5 times 8, or 8 times 5. What's that going to equal? Well, we know, because of the commutative property, that 5 times 8 equals 40, and 8 times 5 would equal 40 as well. But what if we add on another 8, okay? 40 plus 8. What would that equal? Well, it would equal 48. So we could also say that 5 times, 6 times 8 equals 48, and also 8 times 6 equals 48, right? You with me on this one? We're going to try it again. And we'll say, let's do 5 times 7, or 7 times 5. We always seem to deal with this problem. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's 5 7 times, and 7 5 times, of course, is 35 as well, thanks to the commutative property. But what if we were to add another 7? What would we get? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. We'd get 42. And then we could also say, from this, we would say that 7 times 6, or 6 times 7 equals 42. And we'll try one more while we're at it. Let's think about 9 times 5, or 5 times 9. Count by fives here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I count by nines here, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and there we have it. But what if we were to add another 9 onto this? We would say 45 plus 9. Well, think about 45 plus 10 would be 55, so one less would be 54. Okay, I'm making my 4-minute time here, pretty close to it anyways. So we could say 45 plus 9 equals 54. That way I can say 9 times 6 equals 54, and 6 times 9 equals, guess what? Thanks to the commutative property, It equals 54 as well. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas, caballeros. That was a combination kind of the distributive property as well as the commutative property. But go ahead and get ready for the next lesson. We're going to hop on to our application problem. You know, the one that's a real world problem. Maybe one of our special guests will come out and help us with the application problem. So right now, take a stretch, grab a drink of water, take a little bite, and come on back. While I wait for the stop button to pop up from Screencastify. Still waiting, and done.